Welcome to our tutorial on setting the date and time on your time clock. Now, one of the things here we can see when approaching the clock is Thursday, January 1st, 1970. The time is not correct. You know, my local time's 9 o'clock a.m., 9:11, somewhere around there. So this is not correct. The ring around the time is gray, or it could even be red. So basically what's happening is the clock internally is set to get the time from the network, but since we're not connected to the network, the time is not able to be given to the clock. So we need to go in and make that change. We either need to make sure we're connected to the network and then it'll resolve on its own, or if for any reason the time server on your network or something's going loopy, it may not be able to get the correct time and you may need to come in and manually set this up. So with that, we can tap here and it says it's connected, but yours may stop. I'm not sure why mine's saying connected right now unless I left the Wi-Fi on. So we want to exit the app. We clicked on the three dashes at the top right, or you may have to tap to get your password there on the left. And then I'm going to go into quit app. That's going to bring me to my Android screen. And now I'm going to press the circle with the 6 dots, and I'm going to select settings. I'm going to come down here to date and time, and I can see right here automatic date and time. Use network provided time. In the event that your network is having troubles doing that, you can deselect that by clicking on it. Then you can come down here and manually set your date. And we'll go through the years. 25 more to go. Whoops. July, October, and no, it's November. Today's the 5th. So now I've got the month, day, and year set. So I just click done. And now I need to set the time. So I'll go AM 9 and currently 9:14 AM, and I click done. And I want to make sure my time zone is correct for the time zone I'm in. We never want to use the automatic time zone, which I just did. There we go. So we want to come back here. Whoops. And I'm going to use Central Time, 9:14. My date is correct, 11/5/2025. So again, we unchecked the automatic date and time, set our own date and time, and now we can click the return button. Whoops, that's not the return button. The return button down here. And we can either hit return again, or you can just select PrimeNet, and that's going to bring the PrimeNet app up. And we'll pause till that gets up. And now we can see I've got the correct date and time. I still don't have a connection on here, so I really can't clock in or out. I don't have any users in here. But as long as you are connected to the network, and your ring doesn't go red and it doesn't say not connected to server, you should be fine at this point. If and when the internet is restored or the time server service is restored, you could go back in and uncheck that or recheck get automatic time from server in order to keep it up, because almost every device, their clock is going to have some sort of variance where it doesn't stay exact. We can see now my clock is offline. The ring is red. And again, that's because I'm not hooked up to the network. I would expect if I was hooked up to the network for this to be a bluish color around the time. But that's how you can go in and manually correct that time and do a little troubleshooting there with the network and so forth. Thanks for watching.